Countryside Services introduces the Caisley International Geno tag, the tissue sampling tag. Available from Countryside Services, your local vet and participating agricultural merchants. This video introduces the Geno tag system, its role in the Northern Ireland BVD Eradication programme, and how to apply the tag and submit the sample. This tag is part of the Flexo Plus family of tags, and the sample tag is both a cattle identification tag marked with the official animal number and a sample taking device that cuts a piece of ear tissue and collects the sample for analysis. The sample can be used for laboratory analysis, for disease monitoring and control, for animal identification using DNA analysis, and for collecting genomic information. This product is approved for use in the United Kingdom, for use in England, Scotland and Wales by DEFRA, and in Northern Ireland by the Department of Agriculture and Rural Development. It is being used extensively throughout Europe for bovine diarrhea eradication initiatives. In Northern Ireland, it is a designated tag for use by Animal Health and Welfare NI in its BVD eradication programme. Details of this programme and a list of designated tag suppliers can be found at www.animalhealthni.com. The Geno tag set is innovative and unique in that all the components are on one continuous strip. This makes it easier to identify and manage all the pieces for each individual calf being tagged and avoids the possibility of mixing components and samples from different animals. These sample integrity and security features are a very important aspect of the Caisley Geno tag system. The Caisley Universal Applicator has a number of positive attributes. Firstly, it is used to apply all the tag types within the Caisley system. One tagger does all tags. Secondly, it is a robust tool and is very strong and durable. Looking at the pin, the grey collar applies pressure directly onto the tag and creates a stop point, ensuring full application while ensuring the tag is not over-compressed. Application of tags. Take the plastic bag with the first batch of tags, open the bag and remove the first strip, which will give you all the components you require to tag one animal in both ears to collect one sample. Firstly, applying the sample tag. Tear off the visual only tags and put away for safekeeping. Take the sample tag, taking the sample piece with the vial, retract the locking clip and drop the vial into the hole below. Locate the tag and release the clip to lock in place. Separate the male part and seat it fully onto the pin. Ensure the cutting ring is located on the male part as fitted when the tags arrived. Try to avoid damaging this piece as it will affect its ability to take the sample. We want to apply the tag between the two ridges of cartilage. The male side with the pin and the cutter is to the outside of the ear, the female with the sample vial to the inside. Close the applicator onto the ear and on contact, close the tag fully with one swift, firm movement until you hit the stop point. Quickly release the handles and drop the applicators away from the ear. The sample vial will remain in the applicator and it will be sealed by the cutting ring. Push the vial out from the base and where possible, do this away from slats or straw bedding to avoid loss of the sample if the vial falls. One of the features of the Caisley sample vial is the clear window. You can confirm that a sample has been collected and that the vial is sealed. The other side of the vial is white to allow a clear coding with the animal number which corresponds with the tag number in the animal. On the base of the vial is a data matrix code, a machine-readable code which is used for laboratory automation. Applying the visual tag. In this case, put the male part over the pin first and separate the female leaf, the one with the green top. Again, lift the lower locking clip and insert the tag and lock in place. Marking the spot on the back of the ear with your thumb, Feel for the cartilage ridges with your index and forefinger. Set the tag on the ear with the male part, then pin to the back of the ear. Then again, with a firm and steady grip, close the tag to the stop point, open and drop away from the ear. Keep an eye on the calves for a few days, and if you notice any signs of infection, treat accordingly. In Northern Ireland, these tags are supplied under the Northern Ireland BVD Eradication programme. With the first delivery, you will receive tags, an applicator, a programme information leaflet, and a Caisley application instruction sheet. For every 10 tags, a clear jiffy bag and a blue plastic postal envelope. When you have collected a sample, it can be stored for up to a week in a cold, dry place. As soon as practicable, gather up all samples and place them into the clear plastic jiffy bag and seal it. The blue envelope has a white blank label for your return address. You fill that in. On the reverse, it has a full addressed envelope for the designated laboratory for analysis. In this case, AFB Stormont Belfast. Place the jiffy bag in the blue postal envelope, tear off the strip and seal. This is now ready for a stamp. It is classified as a standard envelope and posted or delivered to the lab. All results will be reported to the BVD database. All results will be notified by text message to the mobile number you provided when you joined the scheme. Positive results and follow-up instruction will be further notified to you by letter and to your veterinary practice as notified to the programme.